Hi, I'm Kelly Wynn with Generation Homes Northwest, and I'm thrilled to introduce our newest community, Stephens Hillside Farm, located in La Center, Washington. This brand new community features 85 home sites ranging from 7,500 to 13,000 square feet with several lots back into permanent green space and territorial views. All home plans in this community include 3-car garages with a premium list of standard features that Generation Homes is known for. Generation will be offering a wide range of 1- and 2-level floor plans with a variety of architectural designs, including modern farmhouse, contemporary, and classic Northwest. Stephens Hillside Farm is located just minutes from downtown La Center with easy access to local shopping, dining, and entertainment. The community is also close to natural recreation such as hiking, camping, and boating. To learn more about Stephens Hillside Farm, visit us at one of our model home centers or at our website, generationhomesnw.com.